do you use mouse? Well, that's unfortunate because I just made a script that makes your mouse go crazy. It actually took me 10 minutes to figure out how to turn it off. And of course, you want to know how to build it. Well, you can build it by firstly opening your IDE. I am using PyCharm. I'm going to call it annoying mouse and click create. And then in the terminal, I'm going to type pip install PyAutoGUI. That's the only external module you'll need. And then I can click new, create a new Python file and call it main. You're going to import PyAutoGUI and you're going to import random. And then we're going to define a function that moves the mouse. So def move mouse while true, x equals random.randint 0 and PyAutoGUI.size.width, and then similarly for y, but instead of width, we're going to use height, and then PyAutoGUI.move to x, y, and the duration is 0.1. So every time this loop runs, it's going to get a random x, a random y, and then it's going to move the mouse to these coordinates in a duration of 0.1 seconds. And then to tie it all up, we're going to call move mouse. And now your mouse goes crazy. Now it did take me a while to figure this out. If you try and drag your mouse to the corner of the screen, it should turn off. But if you don't want this feature, you can write PyAutoGUI.failsafe equals false. And that way it's basically impossible to turn it off. Well, I hope you don't use this for any bad purposes, but we both know that's not going to happen. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.